Struggling with a persistent, there may be threats on your device message from Windows Defender? Stay tuned to learn how to fix this loop and secure your system. First, type System Configuration into your search bar. And open it. Navigate to the Boot tab and check the box for Safe Mode. Click Apply. Then restart. To boot your computer into Safe Mode, after restarting, open File Explorer. Click on this PC and go into your C drive. Click on the three dots, then Options, and head to the View tab. Ensure you select Show Hidden Files, click Apply, then OK. Now, navigate to the Program Data folder. Open the Microsoft folder, then the Windows Defender folder. From there, go to the Scans folder, into the History folder, and finally, the Service folder. Here, you'll need to delete the Detection History file to reset any persistent error flags. Next, go back to System Configuration to switch out of Safe Mode. Type System Configuration again in the search bar. Open it. Head to the Boot tab and uncheck Safe Mode. Click Apply, then OK, and restart your computer. Once your system reboots, right-click the Windows Start button, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, and click Windows Security. Open Windows Security to ensure the issue is resolved. And that's it! Your Windows Defender should now be free from the continuous threat loop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.